Connect facility, which enables MACH customers to understand their assets remotely through the MACH portal, which enables them to visualize their shop floor and also, should they go the full system, connect such that they can understand remotely what the assets are doing. We can help them and diagnose should there be any alarms or faults that need to be addressed. So that's really creating a platform for increased efficiency and productivity.
So if they can monitor their machines remotely, they can freeze them up to come to a show like this?
That's obviously the ideal solution, isn't it? Where they can come and invest in more great products from across the UK manufacturing spectrum.
And how have you found MACH personally?
It's been great, and I don't just say that because we're here. It's been great to reconnect with people, both from obviously within MACH, from across the industry, from across our suppliers, old colleagues, and competitors. So I think it's been hugely important, this event, to really stimulate UK manufacturing further as we progress through the next balance of this year and into the future. So yeah, a great event, and we'll be back here in 24.
It's brilliant. It's amazing how positive everything has been and how busy everything has been.
Tremendously busy, yeah, tremendously busy, and that's testimony to the work the MTA has done in getting people to visit this stand and the hall, sorry, and obviously what we've tried to do is to match our solutions to those which are challenges for companies that have come here. So I think if you visited MACH, I'm sure you found a solution that can help you, and hopefully MACH can be part of that.
There's so many options for synergy here with cutting tool, tool holder and machine tool manufacturers where you can all come together and create a full solution.
Absolutely, and customers are looking for solutions, and we are part of that supply chain in providing that solution, working extensively with partner companies across tooling, fixturing, coolants and many other facets to deliver the solutions that customers need, and we know they need, to be competitive in what is a global market.
That's brilliant. Thank you very much, Alan. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Alan.
Really, right, we've got to keep going there. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good rest of the show. Guess what? Yesterday I was a bit flustered.
Well, why was that?
I had an engineering crush because I had an. I'll tell the audience. You go that way. I had an engineering crush. Guy Martin was here at the show, so I had to go and get a photo with him. So I've actually got a photo on my phone. I was very, very excited. Talk about engineering crushes.
Hello, you still here?
Still here.
Got a voice?
Yeah, I have still got a voice. I was telling everyone that Guy Martin was here. He's a bit of an engineering crush for me.
Well, I saw him, but I walked past him. I didn't do a selfie or anything. Did you do a selfie?
Oh no, I was one of those. I was like, hi, do you mind? Can I have a photo with you? And he was like, no, he didn't. He got a selfie. Dominic,
yes.
How you doing? You're still here?
I'm still here, yeah. Glad it's Friday. No, it's been good. It's been great, isn't it?
Yeah.
Real buzz, like the old days, I think, I would say.
Yeah.
Proper show buzz, yeah.
It really has.
It's been good.
I
yeah,
think
really.
I've spoken to so many people who have said, you know what, I'm going to go as far as to saying it's been the best MACH ever.
I think they're all different for different reasons, but I think actually that, the fact that it's 4 years, the fact that we are busy, obviously as an industry and everything else. I think what's really been nice, Lindsay, right, is that lots of people are like, we're out.
Yeah. We actually got out the house. We're getting out, guys.
No masks.
No masks. We can drink. We can hug a little bit. We can even shake hands.
It's been great, yeah. Absolutely, 100%.
Just a quickie, your machines, because of course we've always got to talk about technology. That's the heart of it. You're like, oh, machines. I've been talking about it for 5 days. You've got so many customers, so many case studies that we go out to. You've brought those machines to the stand. You've obviously been very popular. What's kind of been your key message?
I think the key message is a lot of people have seen the two machines, and definitely the MX420, because obviously it's that little bit bigger than the 330, is how much bigger it is than the 330, but no more footprint. So it's actually on the same platform, but with a much larger capacity.
And do you think that's going to be the first choice for people now, because you've kind of found that machine that sits in between two sizes, or do you think it's just filling a gap in the market?
I think it's filling a gap. We're going to stock both, obviously, because there's pluses and minuses, and what some people don't want it, and it's a little bit cheaper. It's not a lot. There's a little bit of difference in cost. Yeah. But, to have both machines from stock is an option. And, hey, look, the MX, we just can't get enough. And, again today.
Just can't get enough.
Yeah, I know.
Just can't get enough. Can we have some little sing-song?
No.
Absolutely no chance. Go on.
Go on. I was going to say, should we do the Tony dance, but no. Not today.
Yeah, go on, the Tony dance. Come on, it's Swarf and Cheers. Come on, don't leave me hanging. Don't leave me hanging. No,
No,
yeah,
I've left you hanging.
he left me hanging. That is Rico. Hey, no, he didn't leave me hanging. Just a quick one as well. Turning, we're talking about all of your machines here, but there is the Muratech round there. You're promoting automation and turning at the same time.
It's been great, actually, and we have actually sold the one that's on the stand this week, so it's great.
Yes. So it's been great as well.
It's been great. We sold 2, actually, which is, we don't sell lots and lots of those, but to sell 2, well, in fact, one of our guys sold 2 this week is great.
Well, guess what that means? I'm in a job because I can go out to the case study for it.
You're absolutely true. Yeah, absolutely.
Positive for me. Woohoo! Dominic, thank you. Sleep well tonight. I hope you get a massage of your other half for your feet tonight because you've been on those feet all day. Right, I'll see you soon. See you soon. Right, where are we going next? It's kind of fun this because, one of my most favourite people in the industry, right? There's a few, but I think, where am I walking down here? He's one of my most favourite people in the industry. His name is Chris. He's a lot bigger than me. I'm short. He's really tall. And he's one of the funniest people I know. Here he is. Can't wait to see him. Hello. Oh, Rowan's dropping mic. He's just dropped a mic. It's because of your presence. I've just told everyone that you're one of my most favourite people in the industry. And I'm short and you're tall.
Correct.
There's nothing more you can say about that, is there?
Yeah,
exactly. So, Chris, how have you found the week so far? It's been so busy.
It's been awesome. Yeah, it's been so nice not only to meet so many of our existing customers, but we've met so many new people as well this week. Massive mistake by some of our competition not being here this week, and we've taken full advantage of that. So yeah, it's been good. We're looking forward now to the next 6 months, and we'll chase down all the...
Cut out for you for the next 6 months just to work through all those inquiries.
Absolutely, yeah. It's going to be
Rowan,
good times.
can you groove?
Can I groove?
Yeah, can you dance? Show us your groove. No, this is what... Is that
the best I can do?
Is that
I'm
the
afraid.
best of you can do?
Yeah, especially
I know
such short notice.
I know
is he
someone
dancer?
who can groove
do you like
a bit.
to get on down?
He loves
I've
dancing.
been rib rotten for it.
Have
I
you?
See you boogie.
No, I'm not doing it again.
No, you're not
You
doing
get-
it again?
People have to go back on YouTube and they can see what I did last time.
Oh my gosh, you're
It's
going to be the next
immortalised.
Honestly, it really is.
It wasn't, it's horrible.
You need to watch it on the live, was grooving at the... Have you absolutely been annihilated
awful.
because of
It
it?
was awful.
It was,
It wasn't even funny.
It was a little bit bad. But basically, the reason I did it is they have their new iGroove technology. There is a reason behind it. Yeah. His is better than yours. Yes. Can you tell everyone about the iGroove? It's not just the fact that he's
Sure.
really bad at dancing.
Now, iGroove, brand new technology, a rotating wire, great surface finishes, very straight cutting, and economy for the customer as well. So,
And patented.
and of course, patented technology. Yes, one thing that Sonic's done really well. Always developing new technology, always looking forward, always looking to the future.
And you can do a lot of dance while it's doing it.
You get so much time spare because the product is so good that you can do a little.
I think that should be your new tagline.
Could be.
You get
More time to dance.
More
time to groove.
More time
Perfect.
to
Somebody
groove.
write that down.
Yeah.
I'm going to use that.
Genius. This is the type of topic of conversations that we have when we're talking on the stand. Just a quick one as well. I know it's at the heart of technology is a part of all of this. Soditech, you've got a lot of technology that maybe people don't really realise that you do. So can you just list some of the technology that you have and that you're so great at providing?
All right, obviously core technology is EDM die sinking and wire erosion. That's our standard technology. Things we're less well known for, high-speed machining centres, injection moulding machines, and the brand new EDM fast hole drill machine. So
If I hear Soditech, I think EDM.
yeah, that's what we're best known for, but there's lots of other products in the portfolio as well, so come and see us, come and have a look.
It's places like this where you get to actually show off the physical machines. People can come in, get inside, have a look at what you guys do, have a look at the quality of the machines as well.
Absolutely, yeah, that's why it's so good to do the exhibition, and then you can just have a look at all the products together.
So the high-speed machine, I had absolutely no idea you guys did high-speed machines.
It's really high quality stuff. It's 40,000 RPM spindle speed, obviously machining of very hard metals to very high surface finish.
Yes, there's absolutely, I can't think of a machine that I've ever run that ever had 40,000 RPM. That is fantastic.
Yeah, they even go higher than that actually. They go up to about 100,000 RPM in some cases, but in most cases that's enough.
Nice. And what are you going to do the weekend?
Sleep. Mostly, yeah.
That's been the major answer for the rest.
Legs of stone, so
Are you?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I think everyone feels the exact same. Standing around, talking to people.
It's been a tough week, but enjoyed it. It's been nice and busy, so everything's gone nice and quick because we've been so busy.
It'd be nice to take a vow of silence as well, so we don't have to keep talking.
Brilliant, wouldn't it? Rest the throat, get some strepsils inside me, maybe a couple of cold beers. That'd be brilliant.
Too much of those.
Can't say too much.
I didn't hear that. He's just told me to go away in a slightly different way because he doesn't want to go on camera, but I'm forcing him to. Right, you are on camera, Chris. This is Chris from 2G Tooling. We went to Chris's facility quite a few months ago now. It was probably about 10 months ago. You bought a machine and we've been talking about it. But how have you enjoyed the show?
The show's been good, to be fair. Excellent, nice and quiet, which is even better because you can actually get around.
That's the Friday. No other day has been like this.
Oh, right, okay. But there's a good variety, really good variety.
You know, you've got a facility. Tell everyone, you know, about what you do. And I mean, you're on this stand for a reason. So what is it that you're looking at? What kind of problems are you trying to solve?
To be fair, I've come today just to really see some work holding things, just get ideas and all that. I'm not in the buying mode. But we have one of those over there. We have a Sodic VL400Q wire, which has been great since we've had it from the word go, which is nearly 5 years now. Spot on, sounds a pound.
I can't get spot on, sound as a pound, and you've got what? Typical, spot on, sound as a pound. Yeah, and you have Chris who looks after you. So you need. And he sold it you as well. So you do often need an alcoholic drink when he's left.
Occasionally. When I see the bill.
When he sees the bill. Chris, thank you. Chris, thank you. 2G Tooling, great company. Right, we're going that way. Thank you, Chris. You've got a bad reputation for your dancing now. I'm sorry I've done that to you. He deserves it. He deserves it. He'll get me back. Well, right, okay. We've had some messages coming in. Can't quite remember because I need to go on my phone. I think it was Alison, was it? Alison's watching as well from, what's the, Precision Gears. So do keep those messages coming in, thank you. I think we're heading over to Herco now. I can see some of the team lingering around. We've got Dave Waghorn here.
Hello, we've got Dave here.
Here he is. Here he is. Oh, see, he's wanted of every direction. Goodness me.
Yeah, he's getting pulled in every way. Dave, how have you found the week so far?
Yeah, it's been great. Really, really busy. I've just been surprised by the numbers. Really, a lot of people on the stand all week long.
Every time I see you, you've got a big fat smile on your face.
Yeah, well, I like taking orders, and we've done that at the show, and it's been fun. Yeah, no, to be honest, it's been great to be at, you know, back out, doing business, shaking hands with people, meeting all the customers. I've really, really enjoyed just being normal again, really.
Right, okay, so let's have a quick tour of the stand. We're going this way first, right?
Okay, no problem.
Let's go and have a look at this lathe with a Y-axis. Yeah. Is this the first time you've showcased a lathe with that extra axis?
Yeah, so this is our big MACH launch, really. So we've got 4 products in this range, and this is the first time it's been on show. And obviously we've been demoing it morning till evening all week.
You've been trying to show it off and make use of this floor space.
Yes, exactly right, exactly right.
So with the Y-axis, there's a hell of a lot more you can do with machining flats on diameters and totally different faces, rather than just normally what you can do with the standard XZ with just flats on the face and whatnot.
Yes, exactly right. You can make a complete part straight off, and you can do some of the more complicated milling operations on the sides of the machines. This product has been brought out really through customer demand. So we have Herco customers, you know, they have a mill, they have a basic lathe, and this is the kind of product they wanted from us, and so far they haven't been able to buy them until now.
So they're trying to get the one-hit machining, but they want to keep the WinMax control.
That's the idea. So if you understand how you do rotary programming on the WinMax control, it's very simple, easy, conversational inputs. Well, you can do that with the driven tool lathe.
Right, let's keep going. Let's keep going on a tour around the tour. Yeah, it is. So you've got the new VM1, which
compact machine. Sorry. Yeah, and we're obviously, the main strength of Herco is the strength of the control. So you've
got the simulators here to help help customers actually get in and get stuck in?
Yeah, so we're demoing lathe and mill software here, and yeah, it's just really given us extra opportunities to do demonstrations. There's always new software. We've got this solid model import, which is quite a new, unique Herco feature, and there's been a lot of the existing Herco customers really keen to see that.
Which is great. It's a great opportunity to get them in person, because you could do some training here really as well over the week.
We could do a training course, yeah. They've been full. Really, we've had a lot of people come and see, and just a basic guide of what conversational programming is like.
And it's great for them to be able to get stuck in, because quite a lot of the machine tool place I've been, they've got the machines, they're running, but you can't touch the control because there's offsets, there's work offsets. It's nice to have a simulator where it doesn't really matter what you click, because you're not going to smash it.
Since we're walking past here, I'll just show you our beer. So we got the Hercoberg, our special brewed beer for the show.
Probably the best machine tool in the world.
Exactly right.
I love that. So I might have to come back and grab one of these a little bit later.
You can sample it. It does taste rather nice, actually. We have a good pale ale as well.
Fantastic. That sounds good. We'll have to check that out. Are you guys going to be opening a brewery soon then?
Well, I say it was one of my life ambitions to have my own beer made. So that's quite important.
2022 is done. Dave Waghorn, you're complete.
Exactly right. Yeah.
So we're now looking at your Pro Cobots solution, which is it's a machine tending system, but it's a flexible machine tending system. How is it so flexible?
So what we're trying to do is make it, again, following our philosophy for simple, quick setup of jobs. So this is basically a plug and play automation solution. You plug the robot into the machine, it opens the app up on the control, which allows you to tell it what block